In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Typeform survey in 5 minutes. If you're looking to gather insights or feedback efficiently, Typeform is an excellent tool for creating engaging surveys quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Typeform website. Open your web browser and go to www.typeform.com. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll find a button labeled Log In. Go ahead and click on that. Now it's time to enter your credentials. If you've used Typeform before, you can log in using your email address and password. Alternatively, you can connect through your Google, Microsoft, or other linked authentication accounts if you have them set up. Once you've entered your details, click the Log In button to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a button that says Create New Typeform. Click on that to get started on your survey. Typeform will then present you with a few options on how you'd like to build your form. You could choose to start from scratch, import questions from Google Forms, or even work with AI. For the purpose of this video, let's select Start from Scratch and build our survey step by step. When you choose to start from scratch, Typeform will direct you to a window where you can add different elements to your survey. Here you have the flexibility to include various types of questions. These range from multiple choice and short text to long text, yes or no, rating, and picture choice, which allows you to incorporate images. To begin adding questions, simply type out your question and then add any possible answers. Typeform makes it easy to tailor your survey according to the information you want to gather. If you're looking to add a touch of personalization, click on the Design tab on the left side of your screen. Here you can customize the look and feel of your survey by changing the theme, colors, fonts, background, and other visual elements. This can really help your survey align with your branding or preferred style. Once you're satisfied with how your survey looks, head over to the Settings tab. This is where you can fine-tune your form by configuring options like making questions required, allowing multiple selections, randomizing answers, adding an other option, and adjusting vertical alignment for a better view. After setting up your questions and configuring your options, it's a good idea to test the flow of your survey by clicking on the Preview button. This allows you to experience your survey from a respondent's perspective and ensure everything functions smoothly. Finally, when you're happy with your survey, click on the Share tab. You can now copy the survey link or grab the embed code. These options give you the flexibility to share your survey via email, on social media platforms, or embed it directly on your website. And there you have it, a Typeform survey created in just a few minutes. With these simple steps, you're now ready to gather valuable feedback and insights.